operate the ground level. It's quick, easy, fast.
You bet. It's all of that. Just get your ditch level. Make sure your bars are set level.
Mm-hmm.
Once you got a level, put it through that guide. Set up a target on the other side. Point and go.
And so 85 feet, and the total boring time was around 30 minutes?
Yeah, total from start to finish, from cutting the ditch to getting the pipe in there, you're looking at 1 hour.
In 1 hour?
Right.
Well,
as opposed to cutting that parking lot, me cutting it, jacking it out, having an asphalt company come back, put it back in, you're looking at about $2,000.
Really?
So with the machine right here, hour's time, so 2 guys in an hour, and you're done.
This is Jack Cole. He is the job foreman on this residential construction site where his company used the Portamole underground boring system to successfully install 6-inch water pipe under 60 driveways and 12 street crossings. The average bore was 40 feet in length, 9 inches in diameter, and 4 feet below the surface. The Portamole uses a patented aiming device that allows the machine and aiming device adjustments to be made above ground. Only the stem flexes down to the depth of the bore. Here we have an overview of how the machine sets up. As you can see, the power unit operates above ground. The drill rods flex down to the depth of the bore using the already existing trench. You then adjust the aiming device for horizontal and vertical alignment and look through the rifle scope to see the target. The power unit and bore head is then propelled forward using the hand winch. This is the final bore at the end of the street to the tap. It had to be perfect, and we only had one shot. We had to hit the target stake right on the money the first time. This is the opposite view. You can barely see the white of the tap there. It's right below the target stake from the previous scene. And here it is in line with where our bit came out. And here are some of the street crossings we made after we did the driveway bores.
From this 2-foot ditch, we were able to bore under the driveway and place a 6-inch pipe, not drill from a 5-foot by 5-foot by 15-foot pit and mess up the entire yard. Only a 2-foot ditch with a 6-inch water line. Now, from here, we had to go under the road to serve 2 meters. If you will just notice, up in the yard, we did not have to make a big pit. We simply aligned our boring machine to go under the road and serve 2 meters across the road. User-friendly for the operators, very cost-effective for the contractor, and certainly user-friendly for the homeowner. That's what makes this system unique. It's so versatile. Not only did we go onto the street, we went down the street with a 2-foot ditch under the driveway. We did not have to dig a huge pit. It was only a 2-foot ditch. We were able to have a receiving pit the same ditch that we laid the pipe in, so we didn't have to have two machines working.
Bores. Using the surface bore guide and rifle scope, we were able to align our pilot bore perfectly with the 12-inch water main, and when we bored across to the other side, we actually center punched our target. We weren't a half inch up, down, or left and right, which installing the 10-inch pipe, it had to be perfectly in line with the 12-inch water main to be able to tie in and make the tap. Here's the 15-inch reamer on its way back from being pulled back from the other side. We went forward with a pilot bit, back with a 9-inch bit, and then back with the 15-inch reamer. Pretty incredible for a machine the size of a lawnmower to be able to install pipe that looks like this.
How many bores have you made with Portamole?
Thousands.
Thousands of them?
Literally thousands. Every apartment complex usually has about, between 100 and 150 boards.
Really?
Oh, definitely.
What would you do without the Portamole?
You know, I really don't even want to think about that. Don't even want to think about it. I tell you, it's been a good machine. You know, we've only had two, so that'll tell you how long it lasts. Okay?
Really?
We had the first one off the line.
We're going to do another bore this afternoon?
No, that's it. We're wrapping it up for today.
Oh,
See,
are
that's another point. You get to get off early with this machine, too. You don't have to stay out here at 7, 8 o'clock paying that overtime.